Vowel in food, oo. Pronunciation Activation Pack 4. The IPA chart. I've introduced the IPA chart showing the 44 sounds of British English in Pronunciation Activation Packs 1, 2 and 3, so I won't go into details about it here. If you want to know about the short and long pure vowels, monosyllabic and multisyllabic words, onsets, peaks and codas, take a look at the first 3 Pronunciation Activation Packs in this comprehensive course. They're available for the price you want to pay at Britlish.com. Food. In this Pronunciation Activation Pack, we'll be looking at the 4th of the pure vowels, oo. We'll look at the letter combinations that give the oo sound. We'll look at lots of words which have the oo sound in them. Finally, we'll activate your ability to hear and produce the oo sound correctly. Letter combinations for oo. The long pure vowel sound oo can be formed by these letter combinations: U, O, O, OU, EW, UE, UI, OW. Pronunciation practice. Here's proof Sue can toot a blues tune on a flute. Pronunciation practice. If you need the loo, chew on juiceless fruit like prunes. Pronunciation practice. It's cool humans flew to the moon to salute in a suit. Pronunciation practice. Voodoo, ghouls and Lucifer, I jubilantly deduced, are truly humorous to all but fools. Minimal pairs. A minimal pair is a pair of words which are almost the same except for one different sound, in this case the vowel sound. There are very few minimal pairs in English using the oo sound, which can confuse learners. The most notable ones are fool and full, Luca and looker, pool and pull, suit and soot. I looked at these minimal pairs in Pronunciation Activation Pack 3, the vowel in woman, which is available free of charge at Britlish.com. Words starting oo. There are very few words in English which start with the oo sound. The most commonly used ones are oodles, which means a lot of. We have oodles of noodles. Ooze, which means to be released slowly and in small amounts. The blood was oozing out from around the wound. Any other words beginning with the oo sound are names or rarely used words borrowed from other languages. Pronunciation Activator. There are very few minimal pairs in English which cause confusion with the oo sound. You shouldn't have too much trouble matching the 292 minimal pairs I've included in the Pronunciation Activator. You'll be able to practice listening to and repeating over 420 English words. Each time you do the pronunciation activator, you'll be given 5 random exercises from a large database of minimal pair matching exercises. The exercises will fully activate your use of the OO sound for both speaking and listening. Mood, made, moody, muddy, mood, mode, moon, moan. Yes, that's right. Broom, bream, brood, breed, bruise, breeze, bruised, breezed. Well, you almost got it right. Juice, jess, jute, jet, jewel, jowl, jute, jut. No, I'm afraid that's wrong. Dictionary. There's a good chance that some of the words used in this pronunciation activation pack will be new to you. To help you out, I've compiled an extensive dictionary of vocabulary used. The dictionary gives you the meaning of all the words used in this pronunciation activation pack. You can download the dictionary as a PDF document from the resources link at the top left of the pronunciation activation pack. Phonetic transcription. I've compiled a phonetic transcript of all the minimal pairs I included in the pronunciation activator. You can read each of the minimal pairs in Latin script alongside the British English IPA transcription of each of the words. With your growing understanding of the British English IPA chart, this will help you to see how different letter combinations can produce different sounds. You can download the phonetic transcriptions as a PDF document from the resources link at the top left of the pronunciation activation pack. Use it in combination with the dictionary if you're uncertain of the meaning of any of the words included in the list. Pronunciation activation packs. The pronunciation activation packs are going to help you develop a proper British English accent. After many years spent teaching students around the world to improve their pronunciation, I wanted to help many more students than I could reach one at a time. I created this series to explain every aspect of British English pronunciation in an entertaining and efficient way. You can pay what you want for each pack, from as little as €1. So it's very affordable and fantastic value for money. Short of taking one-to-one classes with me on Skype, this is as close as you can get to having private English classes with a native English teacher. Pronunciation activation packs. The pronunciation activation packs are going to help you get the British accent you've always wanted. First, you'll learn all of the 44 British English IPA symbols to make improving your pronunciation easier and faster than ever. Next, I'll teach you all about different aspects of British English pronunciation, including strong and weak forms of words, function and content words, stress patterns, and intonation, to mention a few of the areas this course covers. Pronunciation activation packs. Work your way through these pronunciation activation packs and you'll have a complete understanding of British English pronunciation. This valuable knowledge will help you not only improve your pronunciation, but will also make listening to native English speakers easier for you. You can buy pronunciation activation packs in any order you want, but I designed the whole course to be completed in order. If you start from Activation Pack 1 and continue from there, you'll learn things that will help you in the following pronunciation activation packs. Online English classes. If you really want to improve your English faster than you ever thought possible, online English classes are for you. I've taught many thousands of online English classes since 2006. My students find that online English classes are the most convenient way to learn English. Wherever you have an internet connection, you can have your English classes. At home, in the office, or even in the park. Wherever you are, I'll come to you. Book an introductory class at Britlish.com today and see how online English classes can help you get the level of English you've always dreamed of.